Normally I don't do a part two. I like to get most of my stuff all done within 1 minute, but I had about 4 hours of downtime before we go and head out and celebrate for the night. And I took out Droney out over here. I know you guys know that I fly, so but I took out Droney and flew around and just was trying to grab a little bit of the landscape, but I found this really, really amazing. I'm going to turn it around for you. This really amazing little bridge area that I'm pretty much just sitting on top of. And I've just been getting some great shots. I took some really cool pictures, and really, it's just, this was a great way for me to kind of get away and have some time for myself and just kind of decompress and do the stuff that I love to do. And yeah, it's just, man, it's just been such a cool trip. I miss all my friends, all my family. I can't wait to get home to them. So hopefully the next video you see, I'll be back in Albuquerque. Bye.